Jeep itself is finished, but we've got one more important component to install. That's a Browning 30 cal M1919 automatic machine gun. So this thing needs to go about there, Ollie, which means we need some sort of post to go down here that fits to the body of the Jeep, and it comes up to some sort of pintle at the top here, so that this can pivot up and down, and it can also swivel left and right. So we've got a bit of fabricating to do.
Yeah.
Let's go for it. So this is a world famous M1919 Browning 30 caliber machine gun, and these were historically fitted to the G503, so Willys MB and Ford GPW Jeeps during World War II. We're going to do the same. We're going to fit this to the Mini Jeep, but we're going to convert it into a fully functional paintball gun. We plan to do that by using one of these and stripping all the non-essentials off it. So handles, we'll strip the trigger off and we'll build our own electronic trigger so that we can control the rate of fire, and we'll strip it down to just the body and the piston and cylinder, and we'll try and install these inside our Browning 30 cal. Hopefully we can get this to work, because this would be an absolutely awesome addition to the Mini Jeep. So we've had to fairly heavily modify the paintball marker to get it to fit inside the body of the Browning. One of the major modifications we've had to do is to shift the cocking mechanism from this side over to the other side to match that of the Browning. The Browning's always been on the right hand side. all we did was to cut a slot in the paintball gun and to reposition the pin so that it pokes out this side rather than the other side, and that now works. The other thing we've had to do is to build an electronic trigger for the paintball gun. So this now has a rod that passes through a spring, and it's triggered from the back by pulling that rod, and it resets itself automatically. This will connect onto the original trigger from the Browning. The next thing we have to do is to figure out how the barrel from the paintball gun is going to mesh in with the Browning. It's a bit of a narrower barrel, and I think it might fit inside this barrel quite neatly, so let's have a go at that. You can't really see what I'm doing here, but I need to pull the barrel back and thread it back into the paintball gun while we've got the paintball marker in the body of the machine gun. It's a bit fiddly, but I've cut a few ridges into the barrel just to give me a bit of grip on my thumbs, and it seems to be working. Here we go. Okay. Get out of the shot. So test fire successful. Last thing we need to do is fit the ammo can and design a paintball feed system that's going to feed paintballs to the machine gun. Now, we're not sure if we should do this because I'm not sure how legal that is. This would be a fully automatic paintball gun. Let's see your opinions in the comment sections now. Thanks folks.